Are you battling with rejection in your family, in your relationship, or at work? Watch this video. Hello, guys, it's your girl Ugolicious. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing very well. If today is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome, but please subscribe. Believe me, guys, subscribing doesn't cost anything, it's totally free. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay? To my old subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot stop thanking you. I cannot stop appreciating you. Like I said in my first video, my last video, that love I have for you is overflowing. So may the Lord bless you for me for keep coming back to my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So let's get straight to it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the tips, the steps you will use to overcome this fear of rejection. So if you're watching this video, and I would suggest you go back and watch part one of this video. The part one of this video, I talked about the circumstances that lead to fear of rejection, and I talk about the psychology behind the fear of rejection. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the steps, the techniques to overcome this fear of rejection and live a healthy life. So keep into it, okay? Step one of how to overcome fear of rejection is reject the self-fulfilling prophecy about yourself. There's a prophecy in your head, in your imagination, in your mind. You believe, you accepted, that is making you to feel rejected. So you need to start now to reject that false fulfilling prophecy in your life. When you hold on to false assumption that other will always reject you, you will create situations where rejections occur. Unconsciously in your mind, you will send out signal that push people away and make your fear come into reality. You see what I'm saying? Then you use the fear, you use the next rejection as evidence that you always be rejected. You always experience rejection. But it's not true. So you have to start now to stop, quit, nullify, whatever you want to call it, that prophecy as the a negative assumption in your mind. Step two, for you to overcome this fear of rejection, is focus on yourself. Focus on what you want to be. Are you phrasing your goal in terms of what you don't want? For instance, when dealing with rejection at work, are you thinking, I don't want to be rejected? You will be much more successful if you flip your goal into a positive. For instance, the second example is that make it, I want to make friends at work, or I want to get a promotion at work. Put it in practice. You know, they say practice make perfect. So keep practicing, okay? Then step three is tap into your imagination. Overcoming the fear of rejection takes creative use of imagination. Your imagination, you have to imagine, okay, when you are not feeling rejected, when people are not seeing you as a rejected person, you have to imagine it in your head. That is where it can start manifesting. Every day, make time to visualize yourself acting confidently in a situation that generally makes you feel insecure. Imagine yourself not only surviving or thriving, unworried by idea of rejection. With time, with this imagination, the visualization habit will help to reshape your thoughts and expectation when you start imagining that it is well with me, I am blessed, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, I can make it in life, I can go higher. When you start feeling like that, like you go to work, you start feeling like, oh, they love me, because when you feel that, put that spirit of rejection in your mind, that phobia spirit, you see people negative when they look at you, maybe somehow they look at you, they don't have anything in mind, but for you, you have concluded, since they're rejecting me already. But when you have that love, self-love, that is what Bible says, Let the Lord share his love abroad in our hearts. If the Lord can share his love abroad in your heart, then you can love people. When you start loving people, you love yourself and love people, that rejection will not occur. So deal with it. Step 4 to overcome this fear of rejection is embrace not knowing. Start to question yourself when you make assumption about whether you will do well at something or whether someone will like you. Accept that all possibilities are open and good, and tell yourself that you are capable of handling them. Don't feel rejected to yourself, because that rejection starts from yourself. Like the book I told you, I read, I said about it in my part A of this video. Sorry, I read that about the lady, the husband or the husband to be rejected her. They didn't get married again, and the lady was feeling rejected. So in that situation, in that scenario, if you live your life like you know that it's not the end of the world, then you can overcome this fear of rejection. You know, just help yourself. You have to work hard by using your imagination. Step 6 is remember you will survive. No matter what you've passed through in this life, the kind of rejection, maybe you're watching this video, you say, this woman don't know what she's talking about. Do you know what I've passed through? Do you know what my family has dealt with me? Do you know what my husband has dealt with me? Do you know what my ex-wife has dealt with me? Do you know what my colleague at work or my neighbors, a lot of the friends have the. I know what I'm talking. What I'm talking is that work on yourself. Working on yourself is this step I'm talking about now that will help you, will enable you to overcome this fear of rejection. It's not the end of the world. So getting over rejection also requires that you learn to see it differently. I said it before. See things differently. See it in a positive way, not in a negative way. Even though you notice that people are still believe in yourself, still believe that nobody is rejecting you. Believe me, in that way, it will work. No particular rejection is the end of the world for you. No, not even relationship. You think maybe the love of your life, he has left you, the love of your life. That is not the end of your world. Not work is the end of the world. You can survive the end of a relationship or a job that doesn't work out or a friendship that no longer fits you. Anytime you catch yourself fretting over a what if question, challenge yourself. Imagine how you would overcome that scenario and find happiness again. That is the step you can take to overcome this fear of rejection. Okay? Hope you find this video very helpful, guys. If you love this video, please subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. You don't know who this video will be helpful to. So please go ahead and share, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I said it again and I'm saying it again. Please remember, Jesus loves you, and remember to love yourself and be positive in whatever you do. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.